A very good morning to everyone, kids. Today in this class, we are going to see the reading practice of the chapter Age of Exploration. So let's get started. In this chapter, we are going to learn about different European explorers along with their discoveries of new sea route. So, hey Jack, why are you sitting alone here? Mom, I'm upset. We are moving to a new place. I will miss my friends. Yes, but aren't you excited about going to this new place? There might be many new things for you to do there. In life, you have to be ready to explore and be curious about new things. This was one of the reasons why many European powers came to India long time ago. You can make new friends and you can write letters to your friends here. You can tell them about your new school and friends and much more. Really, mom? That's interesting. But I will be so alone there. Oh, mom, that sounds exciting. So, we shall learn Bartholomew Dias was the first European to sail around the southern tip of Africa. Ferdinand Magellan carried out the first successful circumnavigation of the world. Christopher Columbus opened the Americas to the European settlement. Vasco da Gama was the first person to sail directly from Europe to India. Europe went through many changes in the 15th and 16th century. People were curious about new places and wanted to visit these faraway lands. Some wanted to discover new lands. Some were looking for new and faster routes to the cotton and spice market of the East. These spices were produced in India. Sri Lanka, then known as Ceylon, and the Moluccas or the Moluccu Island, which were earlier known as the Spice Islands. The Age of Exploration was a period when the European began exploring the world via sea travel in search of new trading routes, wealth, and knowledge. Let us learn about some of these brave explorers. Bartholomew Dias. Bartholomew Dias, 1450 CE to 1500 CE, was a Portuguese explorer. He was a knight at the court of King John II of Portugal. Bartholomew Dias was the first European to sail around the southern tip of Africa in 1488 CE. Opening the sea route to Asia via the Atlantic and the Indian Oceans. Dias discovered the Cape of Good Hope, which he originally named as the Cape of Storm. Later, King John II renamed it as the Cape of Good Hope as it marked the opening of a new route to the east. With the opening of this new sea route, Europeans could trade directly with East Africa, India, and other parts of Asia by passing the land routes of the Middle East. Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan, 1480 CE to 1521 CE, was a Portuguese born explorer and navigator who undertook sailing expedition on behalf of Spain. In 1519 CE, Magellan set out to sail around the world with 5 ships. He sailed south across the Atlantic in the November 1520 into the Pacific Ocean through the strait that is now named after him, Strait of Magellan. Magellan was able to reach only till the Philippines, where he was killed in the battle with the natives. His dispute, Juan Sebastian Elcano, returned to Spain with huge quantities of cloves but with only one ship. This was the first successful circumnavigation of the world. Magellan's voyage proved that the earth was round and gave an idea about the distribution of land and water on its surface. Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus, 1451 CE to 1506 CE, was an Italian navigator Columbus wanted to find a new route to Asia. In the year 1492 CE, with the help of King Ferdinand II and Queen Isabella I of Spain, Columbus set sail with 3 ships westward across the Atlantic Ocean to reach Asia. After a long wait of 3 weeks, Columbus spotted some islands and assumed these to be outlying islands of Asia. The islands were actually the present day's islands of Caribbean. Later, Columbus also visited Cuba, Haiti, and many other small islands. In his later voyages, he further explored the island of the Caribbean Sea and the coast of Central America and a part of the northern coast of South America. Christopher Columbus failed to discover a new sea route to Asia. However, he has long been credited as the discoverer of the New World's Americas. Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama, 1460 CE to 1524 CE, was a famous Portuguese explorer and navigator. He was the first person to sail directly from Europe to India and discovered a sea route to India in 1498 CE via the Cape of Good Hope. He reached Calicut, now Kozhikode, on the Malabar coast of India. Vasco da Gama's successful trip to India helped Western European trade with the East without using the dangerous caravan routes of the Middle East and Central Asia. Vasco da Gama made 2 more expeditions to India in 1502 CE and 1524 CE. He died in Cochin, New Kochi, on Christmas Eve. Kids, so kindly go through the reading of this chapter. Tomorrow the reading practice will be checked individually. Thank you, kids.